See, now it's time to make money. Understand? It's a serious time for you to make money. It's not only about Anchor or whatever. Before you can jump into a site, I always say it. There is no site will pay you in the big amount you are expecting apart from affiliates. Fine, I bring an update for you properly. For those who are interested, though, it's not for those who have double mind. It's for serious those who are interested. There is a platform that is paying. There's no platform that is paying. All platform is paying massively. But how can you get that? Is a scope of reference. Understand? I understand everybody is seeking for reference. Let me tell you, your coach have a reference. Yes. Your coach, they have about group class, only one group class. Some of us have like 3 group class. They're all reference. Then how can you build up to that? You build up by monetizing your social media accounts. What I mean monetizing your social media accounts, stand boldly. Because if you are doing the focus on the TikTok work with constant posting. You have to be posting so that TikTok will know your needs. One, needs does not mean you talk about only one thing that is training. No, you talk about encouraging how people will so impress what you are doing. Then you bring them to WhatsApp. You created a group, what is called community. Put it there in announcement. I always say it before. Then, when you continue doing that, your social media account is monetized and people are so interested. Don't go and boost your account too. If you want to boost, I will cheat you. But remember, people you boost without having a good knowledge of what you are saying to following up with you, they will also unfollow you. You are losing them also. Constant posting. When I mean constant posting, say something reasonable that people will be so impressed with you, then they'll follow up with you, stand with you. Every time you post, it will be notified to them. Then you bring them to WhatsApp. Any platform you have, drop it on the WhatsApp, coach them up. There are things or format you need to do, impress them. Don't force them. There are things you need to post in that community WhatsApp group. They'll be so interested. Then you drop, out of 100, 50 will be interested to register. Even if it's 20, then calculate 7,000 times 20. Think about that. Assuming the registration of it is 8,000 times 20 out of 100. More you're a big boy. Okay, assuming 50 now register. Assuming the 100 now register. That is how they make money. But you build up yourself before thinking about that. Some of us, our problem is when you get there, you pay for money for platform. You don't have class. You don't have reference. You don't build up your social media account. You'll be seeing people now saying that like my post and share my video. You will pay. This will pay you. Benefit. Who told you they will pay you? You build up your platform, social media account first to have more ODN. We call ODN. Even Facebook, you have ODN. There is a way you get reference to in Facebook. Even though you don't, we call what is called organic and inorganic. There's what they call organic and I don't want to go far. I don't want to. If you're interested, DM me on. I'll bring you to my class. We talk about the billing. It's not much. Then you join the class. Build up your stuff. You learn things on things. Go to all these platforms you are seeing online. Some coaches, they know they will not tell you. There is one coach, I registered an Anchor. He wants me to register an Anchor. And I refused. He added me in announcement. Because of my brain catching up, I collected his update. Now, he worked me out from the even announcement. Because, you understand? He was, this boy know more than what he doesn't expect. And I refused to pay. But what? I later go back to him, working with him. Now, I joined the class for free, sharing my experience to him. I didn't want to say about that. Do what I said. You will enjoy it. Nobody is perfect. We are all learning. Even your coach is learning. But to start something else, to build up your social media account. If your account is monetized, forget. You see all this small business, they will dare you all when your followers is up to 500, 20,000, let me say 500, they see all business you are seeing all over the world. They are looking for social account that is monetized, that is quality, that can baptize them so that they can get customer from their audience followers. You want to go, if you are doing something in social media, like something like TikTok, focus one thing. Don't go and be doing dancing, vibe, this, combined with business. It will not work in that way. It will never work in that way, my dear. If you want to learn, we start off on something. You can see some other people have a class in TikTok saying, join my class for you to know how to edit. Those people are the one doing effects. TikTok have a lot of things. It's general to the whole world. The same thing with Facebook. TikTok is like, we don't pay, but it is constant posting. But Facebook, you pay for promoter. But that promoter you are paying, remember they are forcing those people to follow account that is not impressed with what they are doing. You need to do something to impress people. Like people will follow you. You have more reference. You want to go, that is how to get reference. But if you want to know more, tell me on. I'll coach you. This is not only about Anchor. Anchor they pay. If it's now, they pay. Tomorrow they pay. Till next year they go still they pay. Now another app is launching now. I know you people have been hearing about that. They will be launching a registration will still start. Understand? But when it starts, I have another TikTok account which I'm using for backup. I've not started posting it, but I'm giving a competition of 500k. If you still want to know about that, tell me on. I'll teach you how to do it. Then you start doing up. People you see posting now, before next year, their account will be monetized. You will still go and do, I want to join. They will use you, make money, they will dump you. Now, so, if you want to start building your social media account. That is number one thing first. You have to start from one before jumping two. Your problem, you jump two, you never learn one. I have done.